In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Apple TV desktop app in Windows. So let's get started. Just go to search and type store. We'll be having the Microsoft Store option. Open it. Here to the top, we'll be having the search. Just search for Apple TV. And here we are having the Apple TV app. And this one is officially from Apple. They're also having so many other apps available. Just click on get over here. This will take some time to download and install. Just be patient for a while. Once the installation is done, we'll be getting the open option. Now if you go to search and type Apple TV, we'll be having the app. You can create a desktop shortcut or pin it to taskbar. Just open it. And we'll be getting the agreement, read it and click on agree. And that's it, we'll be getting the Apple TV desktop app. Just sign in with your Apple account and start using it. That's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.